After filming this video, I just wasn't okay with it. I couldn't post it. I had to think about it for a little while. I just had more to say, so stick around for part 2. So just the other day, Ken from Chicken Genius decided to post a video saying that he was quitting YouTube. I'm sure if you're part of the Chicken Gang, you've seen this video by now, and probably a lot of reaction videos to it. I don't know Ken personally, but I wanted to take a moment, since I have a YouTube channel now, and it is in the financial YouTube space, and just take a moment to say, Ken, I hate to see you go. I hope that you change your mind, and I hope that you come back, because we need people like you that offer different varieties of strategies and different opinions, and I really valued your content in your videos. You know, diversity is a good thing, especially when we're talking about strategies in investing. There are many different ways to win, and we don't just need 30, 40, 50 different YouTubers saying exactly the same thing. We need folks who will push us to think about things in a different way and try different strategies. A lot of the strategies that you talked about, I felt like were not mainstream, known by many people, and maybe not suitable for everyone, but I thought it was great to be able to hear those ideas and weigh them and choose what I felt like could help my investing versus what maybe I just leave to people like you and others. You know, Ken, if you ever do see this video, which would be amazing if that happened, such a small channel, I'd like to say you seem very self-conscious about your English, and I just want to say I think it was something that drew me to your videos, because you keep everything so concise, so short, to the point, and I would have to listen very closely or else I might completely misunderstand what you were saying. So your videos were great in that it forced me to really pay attention, really listen, but it was a short message that I could think about long after the video was over. So thank you for that. Sounds like a big part of his decision to leave YouTube was how other content creators reacted to his videos, and he took those attacks personally. I think we should be able to offer different opinions, but to keep the criticism focused on the strategy and not the person. I think Ken's a great person. I really value the perspective that he brought to financial YouTube. Again, I hope that you change your mind, that you have some good time off, and that you come back to YouTube one day. And I'm sure that there's thousands of folks out there who would say the same. The other part that I had to add that I didn't say the other day is, Ken, you can't let other people dictate what you're going to do. You know, if you decide, hey, I'm tired of YouTube, I don't want to do this anymore, you don't need the money, you don't, you know, it's just not fulfilling anymore, you want to quit on your own terms. That's totally fine. Everybody understands that. But to say you're going to stop because of the negativity, or that you're going to stop because other content creators are taking shots at you, that's letting negative people push you into a decision that you wouldn't make on your own. I just can't respect that, really, honestly. I know you say you get a lot of hate in the comments. There's this nifty little button that YouTube gives you the option to turn off comments. And I know you're probably going to say, well, I don't want to stop the community from talking. I don't want to stop all the positive content comments. Well, the problem is, if you're going to shut down your channel instead, then you are shutting down your community. And I just don't get it. If you feel like other YouTubers were wrong in criticizing you, you can decide to respond or just ignore them. Either way, I wish you the best, but I really hope you come back eventually.